how to create a TikTok account. Now, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. Well, the first time when you open TikTok, you should see something like this. So now I'm able to log into TikTok, but if you don't have an account yet, you can click at the bottom on sign up. So click on there. And once you're here, you have all of these options to sign up for TikTok. So you can use your phone number or an email address with Facebook, Apple, Google, or Twitter. I'm simply going to choose a phone or email. And then I have to put in my birthday. So I'm just going to do that real quick. Click on next. And then here you can either choose to add your phone number or an email address. Well, I am going to choose an email address because I never really like to put in my phone number. I don't really know why, but I'm just going to put my email address. So just like that. And then it will ask you get trending content, newsletters, promotions, recommendation, and account updates sent to your email. I am going to leave that turned off because I don't want all of that spam in my email. So I'm going to click on next. Here you have to choose or create a password, which I just did. So I'm already going to click on next. And usually on iPhone, I am not sure what it will ask on Android, but it says save login for TikTok. And you can now save this password and account for on your iPhone in order to log in very fast. And that's actually all there is to it. So now at the top, you can click on add to add a profile picture. You can also click on set up profile over here. And here you can do anything you want. So here I can change my username here as well. Oh, here, this is my username and this is my actual name. And then I can add a bio and my Instagram and my YouTube at the bottom. And at the top, a profile picture, like I said before. So that's actually all there is to it. I hope this video helped you out, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.